So for question number 6, we're going to create a report detailing the money of sales by region, country, and store in the following format. So we are first going to insert a pivot table. We're going to select the data range. And so we want to create a depot report with the region, country, and store, and we're going to put all of the variables in that order: region, country, and store, because the order in which you put it affects the result. So first we're going to select region, country, and store. And the reason why I say that the order in which you add this matters is, imagine if I move this. So before it was region and country, it looks like this. So we have our regions, and then if I move country up here, it might look at how it changes. So we have basically all of the countries. We have all of the countries here, and it just looks, so it's organized as country first, and then it shows the region. But if we put the region first, it will show us the region, and then within that region all of the countries are in that region. So that's why I say that the order matters. And then we want to know how much did we sell for each region. So we're going to drag the actual price to the values, and I am going to format this as a currency. So we have that. But if you look at this, it looks kind of like a little bit messy. If we expand all of this, it looks messy. So a way that we can fix this so that it looks more clean is we can go to design, and we can select report layout, and we can select show in tabular form. So it basically converted all of the countries that were, so for example, all these countries that are here are now going to be as a column. So it looks a lot more clean. So again, this where it just looks like a long list and the details get lost, versus this where I can see the country and the store within each country. And yeah, another thing I wanted to mention was, so here we have the total, and if we wanted to look even more clean, we can also select don't show subtotals. So now, so this line that you see here, if I select don't show subtotals, it's gone now. You can also see that we have the subtotal line for China and Japan, and it just looks messy overall. And this option really depends on your use, on what you're using this information for. But I'm just teaching you that there is the option. If you don't want this subtotal here, we can just take it away. We go don't show subtotals, and it looks a lot more clean this way.